You're a very hard person to get a hold of.
No, I am positive, but I'm in the office.
Oh, okay. Well, my name is. I talked to you on June 19th, and you were supposed to call me next day, and I never got a call from you.
Yeah, I understand. I've gotten your voicemail messages.
Okay. Can you tell me a little bit of what you found and what's going on?
Yeah. So specifically, I know that in relation to your claim, you have originally your claim was denied, and then it was approved. I'm sorry, it was appealed, and the appeal was also upheld. So it was not, the decision was not changed.
So it was not over.
I'm sorry?
It wasn't overturned?
It was not overturned, correct.
Okay. So as far as any process any further, there is no process. It's just denied, correct?
Right, because you have one opportunity to appeal your claim, which you did.
Okay.
And that was still upheld. So your claim, the decision on the claim was not changed. The claim is still considered denied.
What was that based on?
The appeal decision?
Correct.
That was based off of the information that you provided to the appeal specialist.
Correct. I provided some information too. I'm gonna actually be getting a hold of Doctor. I already got a letter from Doctor and Doctor that they did not receive any calls from Doctor, and I will be calling Doctor also. And I guess this is the final time we'll be talking because I've already hired an attorney, and I will be filing a lawsuit.
Okay, and that's fine. I mean, that you have that right to do that. And I know that you said that in your voicemail message, so I mean that's fine. I mean,
Yeah. No, and I know, and I know you understand. I mean, it doesn't come out of your pocket, so I mean, it's no big deal to you. So.
That's not what I'm saying. I'm just looking at the information, and the claim was handled appropriately. So it's your choice to seek legal counsel. That's fine.
That's fine. Okay. All right. You'll be hearing from my lawyer.
Okay, that would be fine.
Thank you.
Welcome.
Yeah, this is him.
Hi, sir. This is Sedgwick Claims in the Appeals Department. How are you?
I mean, that's just getting worse, but I'm assuming you got my voicemail.
I'm sorry?
I'm assuming you got my voicemail.
I didn't actually listen to your voicemail as of yet, but the reason I was calling was because the doctor that reviewed your file reached out to us and indicated that you tried to contact them?
Yeah.
Okay. Unfortunately, that is not allowed, that you could contact the doctor that reviewed your case.
According to who's it not allowed by the law or you, or I don't understand.
Our company's policy is the claimant is not allowed to contact our treatment provider that reviewed your file.
Okay, because I talked to Doctor and she kind of told me that she was gonna reopen the case.
I'm not sure about that. Yeah.
Okay, because actually, so here's what happened. So I called Doctor. I got her phone number and I called her. And I explained to her what was going on, and she was really nice, really sympathetic, and understood my situation. And she actually called my doctor, and told Dr. that she was going to contact Sedgwick to reopen my case. And actually what I did was I contacted my attorney for my personal injury case, and he's going to facilitate a conference call between Doctor, and that will be recorded. So if that's the case, if that's your company's policy, I already talked to filing a lawsuit. So, I mean, if you guys don't want to allow any kind of overturn or any kind of reopening of the case, that's fine too. I mean, I just seen a chiropractor yesterday too, and I do have more problems than just the thoracic outlet syndrome, the pectoral minor syndrome on both the left and right. I do have problems with my neck and my lower back, according to the chiropractor. He handles a lot of lawsuits, so he knows what he's doing. Do you have any comment on that, or?
I mean, no. I mean, we did not get any direction to reopen the case? I mean, my understanding is that the case is denied and closed still. No one has any other notes in your file.
Okay. So the doctor doesn't have any authority to request, the doctor, your guys' doctor, she don't have an authority to reopen the case because she was never, according to you guys, she was never able to get a hold of them, and she has no recollection of even calling them.
Not that I know of that she could do that, no.
Okay, and by the way, all my calls are all recorded, so this one's recorded. I'm sure you guys record your calls too. I got I'm very organized, very meticulous. I keep I keep a call log, a written log of everybody I call, when I call them. All my calls are all recorded, so I mean, that's fine if you guys don't want to reopen my case. Like I said, I already sent a certified letter to you guys requesting my full case file, which you. I explained to them what was going on. They explained to me that majority of their cases are against Sedgwick. I have done a lot of research on you guys, where I've actually seen on Indeed and the Glassdoor.com where current and ex-employees are complaining about the same situation that I'm going through, where benefits are denied when they know a client or a customer is legitimately hurt and does need benefits. I mean, this is going on week 26, and I have not gotten paid. Luckily, I had some savings, and this has definitely put a hurt on my family, emotionally, mentally, myself. It's caused me severe anxiety. So, but I mean, if that's the route you guys want to go down, that's fine too. I've already talked to a voicemail. I've also talked to your VP. I've also talked to, which is the VP of Workman's Comp. So I'm a very intelligent individual, although I'm still having problems from my concussion. I am an intelligent individual. The next person I will be reaching out to is.
Okay, sir. I'll make sure I document this in your file. Sir?
Yes.
Okay. So I'll document that we had this conversation. And unfortunately, I cannot reopen the case until I'm told to. And as of right now, I see that the claim is closed denied.
Okay. That's fine. I mean, if you guys want to pay triple damages, that's fine too, because, I mean, that's the road we're going to have to go down, so. Of course, it doesn't really matter to you because it's not coming out of your pocket, but that's fine.
All right. Well, thank you so much for your time, and hope you have a good weekend.
Thank you. You as well.
Take care. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Bye.